The most important part is that all we have to do is install the shingle, just like we normally do. And GAF will go ahead and install, and they'll do the part they're familiar with. They'll install the electrical panel, they'll install the box, the inverters, they'll hook all that up through the attic. That is important. That allows us as roofers to continue to be roofers and to waterproof your house.
And for the first time ever, people can get a solar system that looks like a roof, but produces energy like rack-mounted solar. And so from an aesthetic standpoint, from a warranty standpoint, from a production standpoint, and just from a general peace of mind standpoint, provides a better value proposition than traditional rack-mounted solar when looking at re-roofing.
Now being able to install solar the same way we would install shingles is pretty exciting and a huge leap forward for the roofing industry.
And GAF has made this possible with all the green roof solutions and all the different options they've given us and the time and money they've put into this product.